Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll do a rapid review of 100 key muscular system conditions and definitions. This video is designed for quick revision and memorization of high-yield terms for pharmacy school. Muscle strain, overstretching or tearing of muscle fibers. Muscle sprain, injury to ligaments near muscles. Muscle tear, partial or complete rupture of a muscle. Muscle contusion, bruising of muscle due to impact. Muscle cramp, sudden painful involuntary contraction. Muscle spasm, uncontrolled muscle contraction. Delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, muscle pain after exercise. Overuse injury, muscle damage from repeated activity. Repetitive strain injury, RSI, injury from repetitive movements. Pulled muscle, common term for muscle strain. Muscular dystrophy, genetic diseases causing muscle weakness. Duchenne muscular dystrophy, severe childhood muscle disorder. Becker muscular dystrophy, milder inherited muscle disease. Myotonic dystrophy, muscle weakness with delayed relaxation. Congenital myopathy, muscle weakness present at birth. Myopathy, any disease affecting muscle tissue. Inflammatory myopathy, muscle weakness from inflammation. Polymyositis, autoimmune muscle inflammation. Dermatomyositis, muscle inflammation with skin rash. Inclusion body myositis, progressive muscle weakness in adults. Muscle atrophy, loss of muscle mass. Muscle hypertrophy, increase in muscle size. Pseudohypertrophy, muscle looks large but is weak. Fibromyalgia, chronic widespread muscle pain. Myalgia, muscle pain. Myasthenia gravis, autoimmune muscle weakness disorder. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, nerve disease causing muscle weakness. Spinal muscular atrophy, SMA, genetic muscle wasting disorder. Peripheral neuropathy, nerve damage affecting muscles. Lambert-Eaton syndrome, autoimmune neuromuscular disorder. Botulism, muscle paralysis caused by bacterial toxin. Tetanus, infection causing severe muscle stiffness. Muscle hypotonia, low muscle tone. Muscle hypertonia, high muscle tone. Flaccid paralysis, loss of muscle strength and tone. Spastic paralysis, stiff and uncontrolled muscle movement. Fasciculation, small involuntary muscle twitch. Muscle denervation, loss of nerve supply to muscle. Motor neuron disease, disorder affecting muscle controlling nerves. Muscle weakness, reduced muscle strength. Rhabdomyolysis, rapid breakdown of muscle tissue. Muscle necrosis, death of muscle cells. Compartment syndrome, pressure buildup in muscle compartments. Ischemic muscle injury, muscle damage from lack of blood. Muscle inflammation, myositis, swelling and pain of muscle. Infectious myositis, muscle infection by bacteria or viruses. Parasitic muscle infection, muscle damage caused by parasites. Muscle fibrosis, scar tissue replacing muscle. Muscle calcification, calcium deposits in muscle. Muscle contracture, permanent muscle shortening. Glycogen storage disease, problem storing muscle energy. Myocardial disease, muscle fatigue during exercise. Mitochondrial myopathy, muscle weakness from energy failure. Carnitine deficiency, reduced muscle energy production. Creatine deficiency, impaired muscle energy storage. Electrolyte imbalance, mineral imbalance affecting muscles. Hypokalemia, low potassium causing muscle weakness. Hyperkalemia, high potassium affecting muscle function. Hypocalcemia, low calcium causing muscle spasms. Hypercalcemia, high calcium causing weakness. Lactic acidosis, acid buildup in muscles. Muscle fatigue, decreased muscle performance. Exercise intolerance, inability to sustain activity. Sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Cachexia, severe muscle wasting due to illness. Vitamin D deficiency myopathy, muscle weakness from low vitamin D. Steroid-induced myopathy, muscle weakness from steroid use. Protein deficiency, poor muscle growth and repair. Chronic muscle pain, long-term muscle discomfort. Trigger point pain, pain from tight muscle knots. Myofascial pain syndrome, chronic muscle and fascia pain. Muscle stiffness, reduced muscle flexibility. Muscle tightness, persistent muscle contraction. Muscle imbalance, unequal muscle strength. Postural muscle pain, pain caused by poor posture. Overtraining syndrome, muscle fatigue from excessive exercise. Delayed muscle recovery, slow muscle healing. exercise-induced muscle damage, small tears from exercise. Muscle endurance loss, reduced ability to sustain activity. Muscle coordination disorder, difficulty controlling muscles. Congenital muscular torticollis, tight neck muscle at birth. Facial muscle paralysis, loss of facial muscle movement. Bell's palsy, temporary facial muscle weakness. Eye muscle weakness, poor eye movement control. Ptosis, drooping eyelid due to muscle weakness. Dysphagia, difficulty swallowing due to muscle issues. Dysarthria, slurred speech from weak muscles. Respiratory muscle weakness, weak breathing muscles. Muscle tone disorder, abnormal muscle tension. Muscle control disorder, impaired voluntary movement. Muscle adaptation, muscle changes due to training. Muscle regeneration, repair of muscle tissue. Muscle plasticity, ability of muscles to change. Systemic muscle disease, muscle disorder affecting the body. Neuromuscular disease, disease affecting nerves and muscles. Muscle soreness, pain after activity. Chronic fatigue syndrome, muscle involvement, long-term muscle fatigue. Muscle swelling, increase in muscle size due to inflammation. Muscle injury, damage to muscle tissue. Functional muscle disorder, muscle problem without structural damage.